This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Stunningly upgraded, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pool home with lake view. This Gardenia floor plan has details to be proud of and is available to you, unfurnished, and ready to make your own. Behold the extensive custom millwork, crown molding, and huge 2-foot by 2-foot tile on the diagonal in the living area. The kitchen and bathrooms have lovely granite countertops with rich wood cabinets, and the bedrooms offer wood plank floors. Entertain in the formal dining room with butler pantry or experience the magnificent lanai with its huge saltwater pool and spa that seats 8. The spectacular lake view is unobstructed with a picture-framed screen that encloses the travertine tile deck. A built-in awning gives extended shade. The Isles of Collier Preserve is only 4 miles from downtown 5th Avenue and 15 minutes to the beach. The community has a dog park, 8 miles of nature trails and kayaking on the Cypress Waterway to the Gulf of Mexico. There is a state-of-the-art fitness center and huge resort and lap pools. Bocce ball, pickleball and tennis can be played before dining on-site at the Overlook Bar and Grill. The Isles is a luxury, eco-friendly community surrounded by nature. For more information, review the details below.